Hello everyone, I'm Emily with Lighttronics and I'm here to talk to you about our LED High Bay PL. The PL delivers top-of-the-line efficiency, durability, and versatility, which will result in significant energy savings, low maintenance, and adaptability across a wide range of high ceiling applications. Some of our popular applications include gymnasiums, warehouses, distribution centers, big box retail, and industrial facilities. They are a great fit for new construction, renovation projects, or standalone lighting upgrades. I'd like to talk to you about the many great features that the LED High Bay PL offers. It is available with or without an integrated PIR sensor, which enables occupancy sensing and daylight harvesting to further reduce your energy use. We offer a remote control accessory, which easily facilitates sensor adjustments from the ground. There are 2 available temperature ratings, options which include 115 degree Fahrenheit as well as 149 degree Fahrenheit. The high temp option includes a corrosion-resistant coating that's often needed in industrial applications. Whether you need a high temp rating or in a corrosive environment, this one package will have you covered. The High Bay PL is available in either 120 to 277 volt or a high voltage option of 277 to 480. Color temperature options are 4K or 5K and deliver from 16,000 to 33,000 lumens at 140 lumens per watt. It offers a 100,000 hour rated life backed by a 10-year warranty. The High Bay PL is a premium quality, durable product that is DLC premium listed, helping you capture rebates available in your area. It's UL listed for wet locations to easily accommodate interior or exterior applications. The IP69K rating protects against ingress of dust and high temperatures as well as high pressure water. It offers an IK10 impact rating, which is the highest available rating for protection against mechanical impacts. The prismatic polycarbonate lens is 30 times stronger than glass and distributes light at a 110 degree beam angle. The 10 kVA surge protection adds peace of mind and protection. Because it includes dimming wires, it is compatible with our emergency battery backup unit. The High Bay PL has been engineered for easy installation. For renovation projects, simply utilize existing HID lighting layouts and install the PL in a matter of minutes. We include a standard mounting hook, which can be removed to accommodate a 3/4 inch direct pendant mount. We offer an optional yoke mount bracket that can be used to direct light at various angles from a wall or ceiling mounted position. The included 10-foot cord houses power, ground, and dimming wires. Finally, there's a 5-foot safety cable that can be attached for added security. For more information, please reach out to your local Lighttronics sales representative or visit us online at lighttronics.com. Hopefully you were able to learn a little bit about the LED High Bay PL today. Thanks for watching and have a great day.